Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Facebook app that where you are unable to remix this type of video on Facebook. So this is a setting on the user who created the video, so you might be able to make this modification on your end, but if you're having an issue with some other person's video, you just might not be able to remix their video. You don't have proper permissions. So they might have to recommend that they check out this video in order to enable that. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and jump into it and start off by selecting your profile icon in the top right. And you want to select Settings and Privacy to expand that menu. Select the Settings button. And then scroll down underneath Audience and Visibility and select Reels. So where it says allow anyone to remix your future public reels, you want to make sure that's toggled on, so you have to enable that, as well as allowing others to share your reels on their stories, turn that on. And then you can really check this option too. You don't really have to for this, but who can see your reels? If you want to adjust that visibility settings, you can do that in here too. But pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.